Good morning, class. So we are going to start a new chapter in this video. Lesson number 9 lesson number 5, India, agriculture, industry and transportation. So we are going to see whatever agriculture, the different types of agriculture that are practiced in India, different type of industries and how these industries are formed based upon the areas and how this transportation occurs and what are the ways in which we do transportation. So this is what we are going to discuss in this lesson. So let's begin one by one. We will see the topic from the textbook. Okay, India is an agricultural country. मतलब you know that the most of the people in India used to practice farming. So India is an agricultural country and about 70% of the people are engaged in the agricultural activity. Okay. So it is the round figure given that 70% of Indians usually follow what? Agricultural activities. The prosperity of the country is based on the development of agriculture. Different types of crops are grown in India. So in India we have variety of crops that are grown and these crops grown are usually either for food or for industry. यानी जो crops grow हो रहे हैं वो या तो खाने में यानी as a food use होता है या तो for as an raw material for the industries. एग्रीकल्चर हैज़ प्रोग्रेस बाय लीप्स एंड बाउंड्स आफ्टर इंडिपेंडेंस. इंडिपेंडेंस के बाद एग्रीकल्चरल फील्ड में बहुत सारे बदलाव और प्रोग्रेसेस आए हैं एंड नाउ इंडिया इज़ गाइडिंग द डेवलपिंग नेशंस इन इंडस्ट्रियल टेक्नोलॉजीज़. तो अब इंडिया इतना डेवलप हो चुका है एग्रीकल्चरल फील्ड में कि वो इंडस्ट्रियल टेक्नोलॉजीज़ में दूसरे नेशंस को, जो डेवलपिंग नेशंस हैं यानी जो डेवलप्ड नहीं है, ऐसे नेशन को डेवलप होने में होते हैं उन्हें डेवलपिंग नेशंस बोलते हैं. तो ऐसे नेशन को गाइड कर रही है इंडिया इंडस्ट्रियल टेक्नोलॉजीज़ नई नई इंट्रोड्यूस कर कर. ओके, सो हियर वी हैव टू मेंशन द क्रॉप्स दैट आर ग्रोन इन गुजरात. यानी गुजरात कौन से क्रॉप्स को ग्रो करता है? तो मिलेट्स, कॉर्न, कॉटन, पैडी, व्हीट, ग्राउंडनट. आई डोंट थिंक ये सारे वर्ड्स के हिंदी बोलने सभी होंगे क्योंकि आई थिंक यू माइट बी अवेयर अबाउट ऑल दिस टर्म्स. ओके, सो दिस आर द क्रॉप्स दैट आर ग्रोन इन गुजरात. आई रिपीट, millets, corn, cotton, paddy, wheat, groundnut, etc. Next, here you have to mention the industries that are present in Gujarat. So we have cotton industry, cement industry, salt, fishing, petrochemicals, sugar industry. These are the various industries that are present in Gujarat. Let's begin. So the first topic here is agriculture in India. So the first kind of agriculture here mentioned is normal or unirrigated agriculture. Here we are not using any irrigation purpose for agriculture. Here only we are using the normal way, like it is dependent on रेनफॉल. यानी नॉर्मल वे ऑफ एग्रीकल्चर में यू आर डिपेंडेड ऑन रेनफॉल. मानसून सीजन पे डिपेंडेंसी होती है. दैट इज़ व्हाट नॉर्मल और अनइरिगेटेड एग्रीकल्चर मीन्स. So the agriculture which is dependent on monsoon is called normal or unirrigated agriculture, and crops like sorghum and millets are grown. Millet मतलब बाजरा. So sorghum is grown in Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Rajasthan, Gujarat, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. These are the states where sorghum is grown. And millets is grown in Rajasthan, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Haryana and Uttar Pradesh. And among all these states, Rajasthan is the largest producer of bajra in India. India में largest producer कौन है millets बाजरा का? गुजरात. Rajasthan. And our Gujarat also produces millets. Rajasthan is the largest producer of bajra in India. Here on the next page we have all the crops given and in which part of which state it is grown, that is shown with the symbol over here. So here we have sorghum, millet, corn, groundnut, wheat, sugarcane, cotton, jute, rice, tea, and their corresponding figures or symbol is also shown in this table, and you can check according to this symbol that which crop is grown in which part of India. Okay, so this is what is shown in the map. You just go through this. Okay, next, corn. So corn you all know, right? What is corn? Makai. Corn is used as grain and as a fodder for animal. Fodder मतलब चारा जो animals के काव बफेलो के लिए जो चारा यूज़ होता है उसे हम फोडर बोलते हैं. ओके, सो कॉर्न को हम एज अ ग्रेन और एज अ फोडर फॉर एनिमल यूज़ करते हैं. इट इज़ मेनली ग्रोन इन कर्नाटका, उत्तर प्रदेश, बिहार, आंध्र प्रदेश, तेलंगाना एंड मध्य प्रदेश. दिस आर द स्टेट्स विच प्रोड्यूस कॉर्न, और यू कैन से इन हिंदी मकई. नेक्स्ट, ग्राउंडनट. सो ग्राउंडनट रिक्वायर्स लेस रेनफॉल टू ग्रो. ग्राउंडनट मतलब seeing dana, right? Okay, so groundnut actually requires less rainfall, so it is grown in area where less rainfall is received. Among all the states that produce groundnut, our Gujarat is the leading producer of groundnut in India. Okay, so among all these states which produce groundnut, Gujarat is leading in India. So we have already seen Rajasthan as a leading producer of bajra, and our Gujarat is the leading producer of groundnut in India. So it is also grown in Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra and Madhya Pradesh, and most of the, or you can say 50% of groundnut is used as an edible oil. Okay, so from groundnut this 50% of edible oil is extracted, मतलब निकाला जाता है. Okay. Okay, that was about normal farming, millets, groundnuts and corn. Now we are going to discuss dry farming. So during the monsoon season, the water is collected in low-lying area. जो low-lying areas हैं वहाँ पे water को collect करते हैं और फिर उन areas में dry farming practice करते हैं. तो ऐसे areas में ज़्यादातर wheat grow होता है क्योंकि उसकी capacity to hold water अच्छी है. So dry farming is when during monsoon season when the water is collected and with the help of that water the farming is practiced. Irrigation farming. So the land where the farming is done through irrigation, like irrigation मतलब well, lakes, canals में water store करके उसके farming purpose satisfy होना. सो उसे बोलते हैं इरीगेशन फार्मिंग. तो इंडिया में 30% ऑफ लैंड इरीगेशन फार्मिंग इज़ कैरीड आउट. टोटल फार्मिंग एरियाज में से 30% ऑफ फार्मिंग इज़ डन विद इरीगेशन फार्मिंग. इन दिस वे शुगर केन, कॉटन, जूट, पैडी आर grown. So sugarcane, India is the leading producer of sugarcane in the world. So in the entire world, India is the leading producer of sugarcane. And for sugarcane, hot and humid, एकदम गर्म climate का climate favorable है to grow sugarcane. And sugarcane grow होता है पंजाब, गुजरात, उत्तर प्रदेश, आंध्र प्रदेश, महाराष्ट्र, तेलंगाना, हरियाणा and Tamil Nadu. These are all the states which produce sugarcane, and this all states has together made India the leading producer of sugarcane. And for sugarcane, the favorable climate is hot and humid. Second, cotton. So cotton crop actually takes 6 to 8 months to be ready to give this cotton as an product. Okay, यानी cotton को plant को पूरी तरह से grow होने के लिए it takes 6 to 8 months, and the sky should be clear when it is harvested and is mainly grown in it is not ground, it is grown. Gujarat, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Haryana and Punjab. These are all the states which produce cotton. So cotton crops takes how much month to get to be ready? 6 to 8 months. Next, jute. Okay, jute crops here in the cotton crops usually takes 6 to 8 months, right? But the jute crops takes more than that, that is 8 to 10 months to get ready. And when you harvest it, when you take the product from it. It is like jute fiber is first actually tied, मतलब बांध के रखा है, and then उसे पानी में सोक करके रखते हैं ताकि वो थोड़ा सॉफन हो जाए, थोड़ा स्मूथ हो जाए. कि जो फाइबर ऐसे निकलता है जो जूट में से, उससे रस्सी लॉन्ग स्ट्रेंड्स फॉर्म होते हैं. फिर उन्हें वॉश करके क्लियर कर एकदम रनिंग वाटर में वॉश करा जाता है. फिर उसे मीन्स रूफ टॉप्स पे रखकर ड्राई करके उसे सुखाकर यूज़ करते हैं. सो वो यूजुअली वेस्ट बंगाल, आसाम, बिहार, उड़ीसा, दिस आर द स्टेट्स विच प्रोड्यूसेस जूट. And then there we have paddy. So in all the crops that are grown in India, paddy is considered to be one of the important crop. Okay, वो एक staple food है, मतलब एक यूजुअली रोज़ यूज़ होने वाला डाइट में आता है इंडियंस के. ओके, वेस्ट बंगाल, बिहार, पंजाब, आसाम, मध्य प्रदेश, उड़ीसा, केरला, तमिलनाडु एंड गुजरात, दिस ऑल स्टेट्स प्रोड्यूस paddy. So these are the states which produces paddy. So that's it. Rest we will discuss in the next video. Till then, thank you for listening.